This is Kate Badero, and today I want to show you how you can remove background from your pictures for you to make a post that is nice. So we are going to be using this app, removebg app. Select your choice. So I want to remove background from this now. And the good thing about this app is that it has a lot of background that you can switch. After removing your background, you can actually change the background. So this is it now. The background is off. So you can download this straight. Yeah, this is the downloaded version now. I can now go back and decide to change the background using their own. So you can click on edit here. You can see the edit icon up there. So this is it now. These are the various background they have. So depend if you want a natural background, for instance. Let's try this out. It's coming up. Can you see? This is very nice. You can download this one. Download the image. Yes. You can see now you can tell a lot of story with this. Then you can still go back and change it to something else. For instance, let me see. This is a snowy background. It looks like as if you are in a country where there is snow. The thing is a bit slow, but it's coming up. So the idea is just to show you that there are lots of things. Can you see? The thing is up and nicely. We can download this and still go back. You can see how nicely the thing is looking. So you can still go back and use your own. If you have a particular background that you want to use, you can see select photos here. I can go back. I have this particular background that has my logo on it, so I can choose that one. Let me see. Yeah, I think it's no, sorry. Let me see this background. Yes, I have this background. I have my logo, so I can make use of it. Nicely the thing is looking now. So this is a very good app that you can use to create different kind of posts on your page. So thank you very much. Follow this page for more tips on how to have a very nice post. So thank you very much. So follow this for more tips, and you can tag a friend that you feel that this will be useful. You can also save this for later reference.